Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. So today I will tell you 25 best selling cars in the month of September 2021. So 25th number is Mahindra Scorpio. Mahindra and Mahindra sold 2588 units in the month of September 2021. So all knows that next generation will be launched. The next generation of Mahindra Scorpio will be updated in the India by 2022 with the diesel and petrol. So then also old viewer are buying this Mahindra Scorpio old generation. Isn't it shocking? Now next comes the 24th number, which is Renault Kwid. Renault sold 2710 units in the month of September 2021. Renault offers only petrol engine in the Renault Kwid. It gets 0.8 liter petrol engine and 1 liter petrol engine, and it looks very stylish in its segment, and it is also good. And now comes the 23rd number, which is MG Hector. MG sold 2772 units in the month of September. So these both are combined sales figure of MG Hector and MG Hector Plus. So don't be confused. And now comes the 22nd number, which is Maruti Espresso. Maruti sold 2793 units in the month of September 2021. Espresso is also offered in the only petrol engine, which is 1 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine. So now comes the 21st number, which is Tata Harrier. Tata sold 2821 units of Harrier in the month of September. This is based on the Land Rover's D8 platform, which is very costly. It's a very expensive platform. So now comes the 20th number, which is Hyundai Aura. Hyundai Aura is a sedan. So Hyundai sold 2862 units in the month of September. So now comes the 19th number, which is Mahindra Thar. So Mahindra and Mahindra sold 3134 units in the month of September. Thar is a best off-roader in its segment. It is offered in diesel and petrol engine, which is 2 liter petrol engine and 2.2 liter diesel engine options. And now comes the 18th number, which is Honda City. Honda sold 3348 units in the month of September. It is shocking that it is a best selling sedan of India. Then we can think that so much is sedan segment is dropping. And now comes the XUV 300. Mahindra and Mahindra sold 3093 units of Mahindra XUV 300 in the month of September. It is offered in the petrol and diesel engine options. And the next is Maruti Suzuki XL6. Maruti Suzuki sold 3748 units in the month of September. It is offered in only petrol engine, which is 1.5 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine. So now comes the 15th number, which is Hyundai Grand i10 Nios. Hyundai sold 4168 units of Grand i10 Nios in the month of September. Now comes the Kia Sonet. Kia sold 4454 units in the month of September. It is also offered in petrol engine, 1.5 liter petrol engine and 1.5 liter diesel engine. Now comes the Toyota Innova. Toyota sold 4724 units in the month of September of Innova. Innova is offered in petrol and diesel engine options. And now comes the Tata Tiago. Tata sold 5121 units in the month of September. Tiago is offered in petrol engine only, which is 1.2 liter natural aspirated petrol engine. And now comes the Hyundai i20. Hyundai sold 5153 units in the month of September. It is offered in petrol and diesel engine options. Now comes the first time Tata's Ultras. Tata sold 5,722 units of Tata Ultras, which is offered in petrol and diesel engine. Now comes the ninth number, which is Wagoner. Maruti Suzuki sold 7,632 units in the month of September. It is only which is offered in only petrol engine. Those are 1 liter petrol engine and 1.2 liter petrol engine. And now comes the eighth number, which is Eco. Maruti Suzuki sold 7,844 units in the month of September. It is only offered in petrol engine. And now comes the Hyundai Venue. Hyundai sold 7,924 units in the month of September, which is offered in petrol and diesel engine options. And now comes the sixth number, which is Maruti Baleno. Maruti sold 8,077 units in month of September, which is offered in only petrol engine, which is 1.2 liter petrol engine. And now comes the fifth number, which is the Creta. Hyundai sold 8,193 units in the month of September, which is offered in 1.5 liter petrol engine and 1.5 liter diesel engine and 1.4 liter turbo petrol engine. And now comes the India's second safest car, which is Tata Nexon. Tata sold 9,211 units in the month of September. It is offered in petrol and diesel engine options, which is 1.5 liter 1.2 liter petrol engine and 1.5 liter diesel engine. Now comes the third number, which is the highest selling, the Kia Seltos. Kia sold 9,583 units in the month of September. It is offered in petrol and diesel engine. Now comes the second number, which is Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. Maruti sold 11,308 units in the month of September. Ertiga is only offered in 1.5 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine. Now comes the India's highest, and now comes the Maruti Alto. Maruti Suzuki sold 12,143 units in the month of September. It is offered in only petrol engine, which is 0.8 liter petrol engine. So that's all for today. Please